Greetings, my web scholars. This week, you will be beginning your planning for your web page content. So, the focus would be or will be on beginning your content for your Canva website. Now, for those of you that have chosen another platform, make sure you did get my approval. But the timeline reminder, we have 9 class work session days left so that you can finish your project. I want you to see all of the tools that are available to you. There is a video here that gives you full step by step and detail of how to navigate through using the tool of Canva to complete your web page for the business that you chose on the choice board. So as you see here, if you look at the navigation on our work sites here, there is week 1, week 2, and there's 2 more weeks, which gets you to that final project submission. So this week, we're in week 3 of our project, and you will need to create at least 1 to 2 slides outlining your content ideas. So it should include the homepage, business name, your hero section, which is the attention grabber, um, also your business mission. What does the business actually offer? Who is it for? So, who is this website for? You want to really dig in and think about your navigation section, unique feature ideas, images and icon that you are looking to add, and then your call to action. So, something that they can book now or schedule appointments or learn more. You want to make sure those um, items are there. And then your about page, you want to make sure that you have 2 to 3 short paragraphs um, describing the following. What is the business story? Why are they here? Why were they founded? Who is the founder? Who's the team? Who makes up what the business is about? What makes the business special, unique, and important to the community where it's located? Now, a power tip. I want you to be able to include video, images, really think outside the box. And you will find the submission that you need to share in Schoology. So good luck. I'll be back. As you can see, I'm having a little fun here. But I will be back. See you soon.